Hi everyone, Dennis Foley from Acoustic Fields. Just a quick video to say thank you so much for the following. 6 million views we've just crossed, approximately 48,000 subscribers, and we want to keep the momentum and the energy going. So if you've got ideas, just send it to my email. This is my personal email. All the other ones are marketing emails. I usually never see them. So make sure it goes to this email. If you got subjects that you'd like to discuss in a video format, please give us the topics. We just did a whole series of videos based on customer suggestions on setup for different rooms, different room usages. So we do hear you, and we do read your emails, so we can add you to the list. We're usually about 3 to 4 months out on videos, so any video idea that we do for you, you probably won't see for 3 or 4 months, but it'll come up in the channel. So once again, thank you so much for everything. We're really pleased with the results, and our rates and views are accelerating. So we're happy that all this money we spend on marketing does have some kind of impact out there. So thank you once again. Thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please give us a thumbs up. We also have a newsletter that you can subscribe to, so please do that, because we offer special price discounts to only those on our newsletter. And then don't forget about our forum. We have started a forum on our own website where people ask questions, and I usually get a chance every couple of days to look at it. There's an interchange between people on the forum, and we'll give you real answers on a regular basis, so that'll help you. Thank you.